Hey, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director of Team Scented Style, and today I'm coming to you with two of the older warmers that are still available, and I'm super excited to style them. I think they're perfect for my boho, Western boho vibe that I got going on. So we're going to be looking at the Whenever, wherever I'm with you, which they should have just called it home. It says home right on it. Why? I don't know. And the Rustic Ranch. I'm super excited. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, so as I'm filming this video, I see that there's some little stains on my shirt. That's all right. This is an older shirt, which is why I put it on, because after I make this video, I'm going to be going to the gym. So if you're looking at my shirt like, I think she's got stains on my shirt. Yes, I do. But that's okay. I'm heading to the gym. This is an older shirt. It'll be okay. All right, you guys. So the first one I'm going to do is wherever I'm with you. I hate the name of that. Scentsy. They didn't ask me. They should have asked me. Why not call it home? It says home right on the front of the warmer. The home warmer. They didn't ask me. Anyway, so we're going to go ahead and open up this warmer. It's super pretty. And I think it's going to go great with my new vibe that I got going on. I think it's going to be kind of perfect. Yeah, it's going to be perfect. It's really pretty. All right, and like I said, it's an older warmer, but it's still available, and it's really pretty. Now, you're going to see why I think they should have called it home. I mean, it says home. This, wherever I'm with you, why? Who thought of that? I don't know. But this is an element warmer. So as you turn it on, this light will come on, indicating that the heating plate is on. But isn't that pretty? Don't you think that'll look good with the whole rustic, the whole Western boho vibe? I think that'll be pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Okay, so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right. And the next one I want to open is the Rustic Ranch, which I have been wanting for a long time. And I meant to order it last month when it was 10% off. And I did not. I forgot. So now I paid 10% more. But that's all right. That's okay. So let's go ahead. So it looks like it has one of the lampshade warmer types of dishes. So let's go ahead and open this. Ooh, it has that old kind of styrofoam, which I don't enjoy. Ooh, you guys, I have autism, and the sound of styrofoam icks me out so bad. All right, so let's go ahead and get this out. Make sure that you guys always throw these away, the little silicas that absorb moisture, because they are not good for pets. So always make sure I put that right in the garbage. All right. All right, so it's a Edison bulb, which is, I think, 40 watts. So let's go ahead and open up this bulb. I love the look of an Edison bulb. It's so rustic and beautiful. There you go. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so then this one has a glass insert. All right. And it's a bubbled glass, which is so pretty. Has the little bubbles, as you can see. It's not as bubbled as some of the other ones that I've seen, but I think it's really pretty. Oh, this is cool looking. This'll be perfect. This is gonna be perfect. And you will see in just a minute. All right. Let me get all the stuff off really quick, and then I will show it to you. Very pretty. Okay. So here is the outside. Looks like barbed wire. I mean, before I was like, well, I don't know if I want barbed wire. But if you're going to go with Western, like, barbed wire is the business, right? Like, stay off my land, right? Stay out of my backyard, for those of us in LA. All right, so there we go. That's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. So let me not break it. I got to undo this. So we're going to plug it in. I love the look of an Edison bulb. I think they're just beautiful. All right. So here we go. Let's pick it up without dropping it, Vicki. Okay. All right. So we ready? 1, 2, and 3. That's beautiful. I love it. I think it's so pretty. It's pretty, but it's also barbed wire. I mean, but come on. How cute is that? I love it. I think that's going to look amazing. I have some decor coming from Amazon that is going to just set it off. I'm excited. So excited. All right, you guys, I hope you are enjoying the video. Please like, subscribe. Tell me what you think. I know these are very particular types of warmers. Maybe not in everybody's home. I get it. But I think it's going to look good in mine. So I'm here for it. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.